Hi, today I bring you this 2018 Ford Mondeo. We'll start it up and listen to the engine, as well as the in-depth tour of the interior and see the trunk. Big thanks goes to Ford Auto Plaza for allowing me to film their car. Alright, so let's start the engine. And now let's have a look at several features of the interior. Everything is nice and soft here. You can feel the quality. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Automatic windows. As well as automatic mirrors. Automatic lights. Here you adjust the brightness of the screen. The steering wheel is multifunctional. You've got cruise control. Here you have controls for your phone. You've got the GPS. AC. It's dual AC. Oh, now we should tell about the heated seats for the driver and for the passenger. And let's listen to the radio. Alright, this is manual 6-speed transmission. Works fine. Automatic parking brake. Two cup holders between the seats. Armrest with a storage space. 2 USB ports. And you can do like this to put some smaller items right here. It's got an awesome glass compartment with a shelf inside. Everything is nice and soft. And enough space for a big bottle. Alright, and now let's have a look at the rear seats. Great quality everywhere. Plenty of space for your legs. Automatic windows. The seats are really comfortable. Oh, there's an armrest with 2 cup holders. And there is a light. And the last part, the trunk. In this Ford it is huge. And of course, spare tire. And you can fold the rear seats. A part of it, or both sides. And that's it. Thank you for watching my video.